What's up, everybody? Good morning. Today's June 20th, 2023, and right now we're in Lake Charles, Horseshoe Casino, Louisiana, and we're checking out. You guys ready to go?
Yeah! This place called Achafalaya Jambalaya Achara.
Well, after 3 hours and 30 minutes, we finally made it. It took 210 miles to get here, but we're here. We're at Bayou Segnette State Park here in Louisiana. This is our site, Site 81. We gave you 2 passes. One is for your vehicle you hang up, and the other one is for your post. Like always, let me show you around. All right, check it out. This is our spot. Nice paved spot, plenty of space. Over this way, we got the power. We got 50 amp, 30 amp, and 20 amp. And down here is the water. Goddamn fly. All right, let's go over here. Check this out. This is something new. We never had a deck before. It's probably like 25 feet because the van is 20 foot. And this girl right here just took a poop. Woo, woo! Look at her go.
This is blue.
Wow.
A table.
What's up with this campsite though? I don't see any other visitors. Usually at all the other campsites, there's some people, but look at this. Is there something? Is there something we don't know? Is there like a big alligator on the loose that we don't know about that's eating everybody up? That's how you cook in the car. Because it looks like it's gonna rain.
Yep, it was raining.
That's why we were making ramen.
Hey, don't break that. Let's go to the
Playground!
The playground is just across the street. The last one there's a rotten egg. This is like one of the best looking playgrounds I've ever seen.
Come.
Look at this. It's like what do you call that? Like that rubber track mat.
No, one is right here. Right. So one is like
And check it out, it's right next to the restrooms and laundry room. I'll show you that right now. So this is the laundry room. They got 2 washing machines and 2 dryers. And these washing machines cost $1.75. And you got like a sink over here, and then you have a table for folding clothes. And you probably hang your clothes on that too. Oh, and they got an AC in here. Nice. You know what time it is? It's time for that restroom tour. Welcome to the men's restroom. These are the restrooms here at Bayou Segnette State Park. You got 2 urinals. Those urinals are kind of close. You got 4 toilets, one's out of order, 3 showers, and you got 3 sinks. And you got 1 baby changing table. And once again, we got the AC. I hope you guys enjoy your bathroom tour. Take a dump with us anytime. What happened? Okay, wait. What's the plan? What are we gonna do?
How about this? We remove our shoes and like take them with us secretly on the back of our shirts, and then say, "Mom, an alligator took our shoes."
Okay, just hide 1 shoe because it looks better if it's 1 shoe.
I
say Jasmine's shoe got taken by the alligator. Go hide it inside
cinnamon roll.
Cinnamon roll.
Okay. Make a bite mark, just to make it clear. Okay. Okay. Wait.
You gonna bite her foot?
Oh, that's enough.
That's enough.
Oh wait, no, the mark isn't there yet. Oh, okay, that's it.
Dude, this is a next level prank, dude. I never seen nobody bite the other person's foot before. If mommy sees the camera, she might think it's fake. So we gotta. I'ma hide the camera.
Mommy, an alligator came to the playground. We saw alligator. It came out from nowhere and a big gentleman. For real? Yes.
Where's your slipper?
The alligator got it.
Where?
From her foot.
You liar.
No! We know why you told Daddy. No, look. There's a bite mark.
There's a bite mark.
There's a bite mark. There's a bite mark. We were playing on the playground. An alligator came from the bushes and like attacked the Jasmine, and he wanted to eat her. And then he went to put a foot, but Jasmine got it out just in time.
Really?
Yes! See the vlog tomorrow. Bye! Bye! Also, for all you Roblox players, there's something new coming up tomorrow, which is an Adopt Me.
The alligator really have it?
Yes. And there's new pets and new stuff.
You swear?
Bye.